When people talk about Bergen Catholic, they usually talk about the Brotherhood, and they're right. But what makes that Brotherhood possible might surprise you. It's the people who believe in us, the ones who give, who support, who make sure we have everything we need to grow, not just as students, but as men. Because of donors, we have opportunities that go way beyond the classroom, whether it's the spaces we learn in, the teams we're a part of, or the experiences that challenge us to be better. It all comes from your generosity. Because of your generosity, we are able to run events like the Crusader Leadership Symposium, which brings together students and alumni near and far. That's the impact you have. You're not just giving to a school, you're investing in us, in our futures, in who we're becoming. Every gift makes a difference. It creates opportunities for students like me and for the ones who will walk these halls after us. If you've ever thought about giving, I hope you will, because what you do truly matters here. Thank you for believing in Bergen Catholic and in all of us.